Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how to download and install Microsoft Office for free on your MacBook. So let's get started the video. First, open the Google Chrome on your Mac. Now in the search bar, type microsoftoffice.com and hit enter. From the search results, click on Microsoft Office 365. On the website, look for the option that says download Microsoft Office 365 apps for Mac. You will find it in the middle of screen. Go ahead and click on it. Now choose a location to save the installer file. I am saving in my download folder. The downloaded will start right away, and depending upon your internet speed, it may take a few minutes. Once the download is complete, go to the folder where you save the file. Find the file name and double click on it. This will launch the Office Setup Wizard. Just follow the on-screen instructions. Click Continue to go through the steps. Make sure to read the license agreement, and if you agree with the terms, click Agree to proceed. Next, it will ask you to choose the installer location. For most people, the default applications folder is fine. Now click Install to begin. You might be asked to enter your Mac's admin password. Just type it in and click OK to install software to continue. The installation process may take a few minutes. Once it's done, you will see a communication screen. Click Close to exit the installer. Now you are all set. If an auto update window pops up, just follow the prompts to update Microsoft Office to the latest version. Now you are all set. Open Launchpad and you will see Office apps like Word, Excel, PowerPoint, OneNote and Ready to Use. And that's it. You will successfully install Microsoft Office on your MacBook. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more quick tutorial and Mac tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.